Lecture 3, Chapter 5. Now here activities there. Find out if the time in the countries given below is ahead or behind India. Why is it so? Think. Here Nepal same as India, Pakistan behind of India, Bangladesh ahead of India, New Zealand ahead of India, like USA, like Canada behind. Pakistan, USA, Canada, Uganda, France, South Africa, Ukraine. These all are behind of India, and Bangladesh, New Zealand, Singapore, Japan. These all are ahead of India. So their time is ahead of India. Now local time, location finished, now local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 noon in all places of that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problems in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve these problems? Let us understand. Now, local time start from prime meridian, and then some places ahead and behind of time. And local time in India, local time like in Gujarat and in Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, both timing at least 10-minute difference from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now standard time, the local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. Local time it is called in Gujarat, in Andhra Pradesh, in Arunachal Pradesh, but standard time it is called whole country. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. It is the center, 82.5 degree through Allahabad. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. You see here India 68 to 97. So 68 to 97 between 82.5. This is the 82.5 east longitude. It is the standard time. It is passes through Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Now here some city and ahead behind. So you make list of some cities is ahead or behind from our country. Okay. So, and next activity, next things to know. The longitude to the east of the Greenwich line are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W, means west. The international dateline is also called IDL, in short, international dateline. If a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard time. The latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter N, means north, and some other south, S. The actual distance between two latitudes 111 kilometer distance. So exercise is given in Google Classroom.